this is a quadrilateral. Right? Angles in a quadrilateral. Now looking at this shape now, most of the time students form will get to this shape. What this shape very well. So we actually call it a fish-like shape. You can see that. A fish-like shape, but let's try and extend it. Okay, so let's assume that here is a degree, alright? Then let's call here 42 degree, 78 degree, alright? Then we'll actually call here 42.5 degrees. 42.5 degrees. Now if it works very well, the question now says find the marked angle. Find the marked angle. You can see that. Now how do we find the marked angles? What you need to do is, just like when you're looking for the marked angles, that means you actually tell us that we should find the unknown. You have to be very careful with this. Let's assume now, if you are having a line of symmetry, okay, if you are having a line of symmetry, now we have to actually notify these various angles. If here is A, that means here should be B. Then here C and here D. So actually we have C degree, B degree, and what? B degree. So what do we do? First, quickly, let's search for D degree. For D degree, we having what? 42.5. Okay, and this is what? Or you can actually call it base angles. Base angles of an isosceles triangle. Base angle of isosceles triangle. That is for this. Then for C degree, we have that 180 because I'm on a straight line. 180 minus 2 times this for the 2.5. Are you saying that? For 2.5. So if we have to state reason now, we're going to call this sum of angles of a triangle because this is a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle. Okay, so let's proceed. So C degree now we have 180 degree minus, multiply this 2 times 42.5. That was much time. We're going to be having 85 degree. So 85 degree, that means we have C is equals to what? That means C is equals to 180 degree, okay, minus 85 degree, going to give us 95 what? Degree. So for this now, that means this B degree here now, take note, B degree is going to give us is that same 95 degree, but we can actually call it, because of this angle, to work very well, this angle and this side is actually called vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite what? Angles. So we have succeeded in D. Alright? We have also succeeded in C degree. We have also succeeded in what? A B degree. So the final distance now we have to look for what? Search for A degree. So how do we search for A degree? A degree now is going to give us, remember, sum of a quadrilateral, I can still remember vividly. Sum of a quadrilateral is equals to 360 degrees. So if we're having this now, we're looking for A. Remember, we are looking for marked angle. So we want to search the last one, which is A degree. That means we have A degree will give us what? 360 degree minus what? This 95 degree plus 42 degree plus 78 what? Degree. So here we have 95 degree plus 42 degree plus 78 what? Degree. So when you clear this bracket, that means we have 8 degree, now going to give us what? 360 degree minus, add this 95, if you calculate on the actually point, 95 plus 42 degree plus 78. Alright, add going to give us, subtract this now. This is minus 215. I think we should be having 145. So 145 degree. But I would also like you to state the reasons. That means your final answer now for A degree is 145. So it's also necessary for you to state the reasons. What's the reasons there? That is the sum of angles of the quadrilateral. Sum of angles of the what? Quadrilateral. Sum of angles of the quadrilateral. So this becomes our final answer. So when you see questions like this, you have to be very careful. First of all, our advice for you to search for this. When it says sum of angles in the triangle, this is isosceles. It's an isosceles triangle, right? What is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangles are those triangles that the two sides are equal. Just like I said, the basis. So the two sides are equal. That is called isosceles what? Triangle. So this is the final answer. A is equal to 1.5 degree. That is the sum of angles of the quadrilateral.